Exercise 2.5, question number 8. Half of the herd of deers are grazing in the field. 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. And 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. So let the total number of deer is equal to x. According to given number of deer grazing in the field, half, that is x upon 2. Number of deer playing, that is 3/4. So remaining deers, that is 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4 multiplied by x upon 2. That is playing is 38, 3x upon 8. Number of deer drinking water is equal to 9. So total deer is equal to x. So total deer is x upon 2, that is grazing in the field, playing in the field 3x upon 8, and plus 9 drinking, that is equal to x. Taking LCM is equal to 8. 2 4s are 8. So 4 into x is 4x. 8 is given as it is, means 3x. Nothing is given, means that means it is 1. So 1 8s are 8. So 8 9s are 72 is equal to x. Shifting 8 as division to the right hand side as multiplication. 4 plus 3, 7x plus 72 is equal to x into 8. 7x plus 72 is equal to 8x. Shifting 7x to the right hand side. Okay, well, or shifting 8x to the left hand side, that becomes 8x, 7x minus 8x is equal to minus 72. That comes to 7x plus 72 is equal to 8x. So is equal to 7x minus 8x is equal to minus 72. Minus x is equal to minus 72. X is equal to 72. So the total deers are 72. Total number of deers 72. Question number 9. The grandfather is 10 times older than the granddaughter. So let the present age of granddaughter is equal to x and grandfather's present age is equal to 10x. He is also 54 years older than her. So grandfather age is 54 years older than the present age of granddaughter, that is x plus 5y. So x plus 5y, that is the grandfather's age, and 10x is also grandfather's age. So comparing both the age, x plus 54 is equal to x 10x. Shifting 54 to the right hand side. (10x minus x is 9x, sorry. Shifting our x to the right hand side, that is 10x minus x is equal to 54. So 9x is equal to 54. To make you understand, this is x plus 54 is equal to 10x. So it is 54 is equal to 10x minus x. So 54 is equal to 9x. So 9x is equal to 54. So x is equal to 54 upon 9. So x is equal to 6. Granddaughter's present age is x years, that is 6 years. And grandfather's age is 10x. So 10 into 6 is equal to 60 years. So daughter's age is 6 years and grandfather's age is 60 years. Question number 10. Question number 10. Now they have given you Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. So the present age of son is equal to x and Aman's age is equal to 3x. Now 10 years ago, मतलब son's age 10 years ago is x minus 10 and Aman's age 10 years ago is 3x minus 10. Okay, 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. So 10 years ago Aman's age was 5 times son's age. So 10 years ago is 3x minus 10 into 5 into x minus 10. So 3x minus 10 is equal to 5 multiplied by x, it is 5x. 5 into minus 10 is equal to minus 50. I am shifting minus 50 to the left hand side, becomes plus 50. 50 minus 10, 5x minus plus 3x goes to the right hand side, becomes minus 3x. So 2x is equal to 50 minus 40. 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. So x is equal to 40 upon 2. So x is equal to 20. So the son's present age is 20 years and Aman's present age is 3x. That is 3 into 20. That is equal to 60 years. Exercise 2.5. Now be careful for these sums. X upon 2 minus 1 upon 5 is equal to x upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. Now I am shifting all the x on the left hand side and all the integers, okay, or rational numbers to the right hand side. Okay, that is x upon 2 minus x upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 5. Taking LCM, 6 is the LCM, so 3x minus 2x. 4 5 are 20 is the LCM, 5 plus 4. That is x upon 6 is equal to 9 upon 20. So cross multiplication, 20 goes over here, so x into 20 becomes 20x and 6 into 5 becomes 54. So x is equal to 54 upon 20. That is 27 upon 10. So x is equal to 2.7. N upon 2 minus 3n upon 4 plus 5n upon 6 is equal to 21. Taking LCM on the LHS side. LCM of 2, 4 and 6 is 12. So 12. 2, 6 are 12. So 6 into n is 6n. 4, 3 are 12. So 3 into 3 is 9n. 6, 2 are 12. So 5 into 10 is 5 into 2 is 10. N is equal to 21. So 6n plus 10n. That is 16n minus 9n is upon 12 is equal to 21. 16 minus 9 is 7n upon 12 is equal to 21. So 7n is equal to 21 into 12. So n is equal to 21 multiplied by 12 upon 7. This multiplication comes as division. So 7 3s are 21. So n is equal to 3 into 12, that is 36. Now again be careful. X plus 7 minus 8x upon 3 is equal to 17 upon 6 minus 5x upon 2. So I am shifting this whole number on the right hand side and taking this rational number on the left hand side. So it becomes 17 upon 6 minus 7 upon 1. Now x minus 8x minus 5x upon 2 brought to the left hand side becomes plus 5x upon 2. So taking LCM, that is 6. So 1 6 are 6. So 6 multiplying x by 6, that is 6x. 3 2 are 6. So 8 2 are 16. 2 3 are 6. So 3 5 are 15. Same way 17. 6 7 are minus 42 upon 6. So 6x plus 15x is equal to 21x minus 16x. Plus of minus minus 42 minus 17 is equal to 25 upon 6 minus 25 upon 6. 21 minus 16 is 5 upon 6 minus 25 upon 6. As 6 are the LCM, okay, or denominator on both the sides, they get cancelled. Because if you are going for cross multiplication, okay, well, you are going to get it multiples. So we can cancel 6 directly. So 5x is equal to minus 25. So x is equal to minus 25 upon 5. So x is equal to minus 5. Sum number 4. X minus 5 upon 3 is equal to x minus 3 upon 5. I am going with cross multiplication. I will take 5 on the left hand side and 3 on the right hand side as multiplication. So 5 into x minus 5 is equal to 3 into x minus 3. So 5 into x is 5x minus 5 5 are 25. 3 into x is 3x minus 3 3 are 9. So 5x minus 3x is taken to the left hand side and minus 25 on the right hand side. Minus 9 plus 25. So 5x minus 3x is 2x is equal to 16. So x is equal to 16 upon 2. So x is equal to 8. Sum number 5. 3t minus 2 upon 4 minus 2t plus 3 upon 3 is equal to 2 upon 3 minus t. I am taking LCM on both the sides. Here I am going with cross multiplication and 4 3s are 12. So 3 into 3t minus 2 minus 4 into 2t plus 3. And here 3 is the LCM. So 2 minus 3t upon 3. So 3 into 3, 9t. 3 into minus 2, minus 6. Minus 4 into 2t, minus 8t. Minus 4 into 3, minus 12 upon 12. Here 2 minus 3t upon 3. So 90 minus 8t is t, 1. Minus 6 minus 12 is minus 18 upon 12. and 2 minus 3t upon 3. Now I will go with cross multiplication. I will shift this 3 on the left hand side and 5 on the right hand side as multiplication. So 3 into t minus 18 is equal to 12 into 2 minus 3t. 3 into t is 3t, 3 into minus 18 is minus 54. 12 to the 24 and 12 3 are 36t. So 3t plus 36t, I am shifting this t on the left hand side as plus and minus 54 on the right hand side as plus 54. 36 plus 3 is 39t. 4, 4, 8, 5 plus 2, 7, that is 78. T is equal to 78 upon 39, so T is equal to 2. Now, m minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 upon 3. So I am taking all the numbers having m on the left hand side. So m minus 1 upon 2 plus minus is becomes plus m minus 2 upon 3 is equal to 1. LCM is 6. 1 6 are 6, so multiplying m by 6, that is 6m. 2 3 are 6, matlab I am multiplying 1 minus m minus 1 by minus 3. 3 2 are 6, I am multiplying m minus 2 by 2. So 6m minus 3m. 3 1s are 3, minus minus plus 2m minus minus plus of minus minus 2 2s are 4 is equal to 1 upon here upon 6 is equal to 1. 6m minus 3m plus 2m. 6 minus 3 is 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay, or 6 plus 2 is equal to 8 minus 3 plus 3 minus 4 is equal upon 6 is equal to 1. 8 minus 3 is 5m minus 1. 6 plus 2 8. 8 minus 3 is 5m, sorry. It is 5m minus 1 is equal to 6. So 5 1 is equal to 6 plus 1. So m is equal to 7 upon 5. Sum number 7. 3 into t minus 3 is equal to 5 into 2 plus 1. Multiplying 3 into t, which is 3t, and 3 3s are 9 plus or minus minus, so minus 9. 5 into 2t is equal to 10t. 5 plus 5 into 1 is plus 5. Minus 9 minus 5, shifted this fly on the left hand side, and 10t minus 3t. So minus 14 is equal to 70. On either words we can say, okay, 7t is equal to minus 14. So t is equal to minus 14 upon 7. So t is equal to minus 2. (15 into y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6 is equal to 0. Multiply 15 by 5, 15y, 15 4 are 60 plus of minus minus. Plus of minus minus, 2 into y is 2y, minus minus plus, 2 into 9 is 18, 5 into y is 5y, 5 into 6 is 30. Taking all the y together and all the in whole numbers together, 15y minus 2y plus 5y, minus 60 plus 18 plus 30. So it is 15 plus 5, 20y minus 2y, minus 60, 18 plus 30 is equal to 48. So 20 minus 2 is 18y is equal to minus 12. Minus 12 taken to the right hand side becomes plus, so 18y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 12 upon 16. So 2 6 are 12 and 2 3s are 6 3s are 8. 2 8 2s are 4 3s are 12 and 4 4s are 16. 4 3s are 4 4s are 2 upon 4. Same way, 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11 is equal to 4 into 8z minus 13 minus 17. 3 into 5z is equal to 15z. 3 into 7 is 21 plus of minus minus. Minus plus minus, 2 9s are 18. Minus minus plus, 2 into 11 is 22. 4 8s are 32. Plus of minus minus, 13 4s are 52 minus 17. 15z minus 18z minus 21 plus 22 is equal to 32z minus 69. Minus minus plus, and I have taken all the z's and whole numbers at a time. 15 minus 18 is minus 3z. 21 plus 22 minus 21 plus 22 plus 1. Minus plus is minus. 32z minus 69 as it is. So I am shifting minus 3z on the right hand side and taking 69 on the left hand side. So it becomes 3z becomes plus, or I am taking this to the left hand side. So minus 3z minus 32z is equal to minus 69 minus 1. 32 plus 3 minus minus plus 35z, 69 plus 1, 69 plus 1 is 70, minus minus get cancelled. So 35z is equal to 70. Z is equal to 70 upon 35, Z is equal to 2. Now 0.25 into 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 into 10f minus 9. So I am multiplying 0.25 into 4f and 0.25 into 3. So 0.25 into 4f minus plus of minus minus 0.25 into 3. Same way I have done over here. 0.05 multiplied by 10f plus of minus is minus 0.05 multiplied by 9. Now I have removed the decimal. I am keeping 25 upon 100 into 4f. Same way 25 upon 100 into 3. Same way 5 upon 100 into 10f and 5 upon 100 into 9. So 25 for the 100f, 25 3 the 75, 5 10 the 50f, 5 9 the 45. Now 100f minus 75 upon 100, that is the LCM. 100 is same, so 50f minus 45 upon 100. Now both the side it is 100, so we have to neglect it. So we will get 100f minus 75 is equal to 55 minus 45. So 100f, I am bringing this 50f on the left hand side, it becomes minus 50f. Minus 45 minus 70 becomes plus 75. 100 minus 50 is 50y is equal to minus 45 plus 75 is 30. 5 minus 5 is 0 and 7 minus 4 is 3. So f is equal to 30 upon 5. 30 upon 50, 0 0 cancel. So f is equal to 3 upon 5. Please download the Skype app in your mobile. As soon as we are finishing this chapter, by next week we are going to start SS or Science live on the Skype app. So please download Skype in your mobile. And if you are having any doubt, please ring me. Thank you.